Science has established that obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders are linked to each other. People who are obese or overweight are prone to other lifestyle disorders like hypertension and diabetes, and hypertension, abnormal cholesterol, and high triglycerides coupled with diabetes can contribute to the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It's estimated that by 2020, about 50% of the Indian population would be obese. 60% of the world's cardiovascular disorders related deaths would be from India, and our country would become the world's diabetes capital. High calorie intake and a sedentary lifestyle more or less seem to be the mother of all problems. How about replacing our meals with something that controls our calorie intake without bringing down the energy levels? How about a meal replacement therapy that cuts out our cravings for untimely and unhealthy food while providing the optimum amount of energy at all times for our body to function at its peak? Well, that's exactly what Graduos does. The latest offering by Blue Life Marketing, Graduos is the ultimate meal replacement and your answer to better management of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders. Graduos, where taste meets health, is an advanced low-calorie, high-protein, sugar-free, and high-fiber meal replacement therapy that's loaded with 30 micronutrients. Graduos is formulated as per the American Diabetes Association's 2014 recommendations, and its Gradual Release Energy System or GRES with the proprietary ingredient Gradually Digestible Fibers GDF helps manage glucose levels effectively, thus minimizing hypoglycemic responses, and also helps in weight loss and management. What is Gradual Release Energy System? GRES helps in the slow elevation of blood glucose levels. GDF or Gradually Digestible Fibers, a proprietary ingredient in Graduos, helps release energy slowly so one feels fuller for a longer period of time and hence eats less. GDF are short-chain polymers of glucose that are not digested or absorbed in the small intestine and thus pass through the large intestine. Studies have shown improved laxation with the consumption of GDF. The digestion of GDF in the large intestine instead of the small intestine benefits individuals looking at weight loss, as this prolongs the digestion process, increases satiety, releases energy slowly, and makes a person feel fuller for longer. Hence, he or she eats less. The digestion of GDF in the large intestine also helps diabetic individuals. The prolonged digestion process causes insulin to release gradually into the bloodstream, hence helping the body maintain healthy glucose levels. Graduos also boasts of MCTs or medium chain triglycerides that are fats with an unusual chemical structure that allows the body to digest them easily. Most fats are broken down in the intestine and remade into a special form that can be transported in the blood, but MCTs are absorbed intact and taken to the liver where they are used directly for energy. Who can use Graduos? Graduos can be used by individuals who are looking to reduce weight and by diabetics as well as individuals suffering from cardiovascular disorders. When to consume Graduos? Graduos can be consumed as a meal replacement during lunch or dinner, or as a snack replacement in the morning or evening. How does Graduos help in weight loss and management? Graduos is high in protein and low in carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for our body, and in their absence, our body uses fats. Consumption of low-fat and low-carbohydrate Graduos programs the body to use the stored fats for energy. This use of stored fats helps in weight loss. High protein in Graduos helps build lean muscle mass and boosts metabolism and changes several weight-regulating hormones. High fiber in Graduos helps boost satiety. This high protein and high fiber content helps prevent muscle loss and metabolic slowdown. Studies have shown that consumption of a high protein meal reduces the craving for late night snacking. Graduos, being high in protein, has the same benefit and therefore is helpful for individuals looking to lose weight. How is Graduos effective in cases of diabetes? Eating foods that digest slowly and take longer to reach the bloodstream, like fiber and protein, causes insulin to release gradually, helping the body maintain healthy glucose levels. Graduals, being sugar-free and rich in fibers and protein, helps in the slow elevation of blood glucose levels. And how about managing cardiovascular disorders? Replacing foods that are high in saturated fats with a healthier option like Graduos can lower blood cholesterol levels and improve lipid profiles. Monounsaturated fats, MUFAS, is a healthy alternative to trans fats and refined polyunsaturated fats found in most processed foods. Graduos is a great source of MUFA. So, what are you waiting for? Adopt Graduos today and boost your fight against obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders.